Now remember, I told you earlier that in book 1 we had only 4 verbs. Only 4 verbs. Now, from this lesson onwards, the floodgates of verbs are open. Now, verbs will come from every side. Okay? They will come like a big flood now. From left, from right, from up, from down, the verbs will come now. And you have to understand their meaning. Okay? Again, they are simple because it is all Madi. We are still doing Madi till lesson number 9. And remember, all these things that we practiced, the 14 forms, now you have to remember which form to use according to the file. Inshallah. Now, that in English, brothers and sisters, there are 2 kinds of verbs. I will write down on the board. If you can remember the Arabic term, well and good. If you don't, just remember transitive and intransitive for the time being. The intransitive verb, brothers and sisters, the sense is complete with the verb and the subject. When they are used in the sentence, you get a complete sense. For example, Hamid sat. What will we say in Arabic? Jalasa Hamidun. Jalasa fi'l, Hamidun fa'il. So fi'l and fa'il, they are both happy with each other. We get a complete sense. Zahaba Hamidun, Hamid went. Kharaja Hamidun, Hamid exited. Raja Hamidun, Hamid returned. Are you with me, brother? We get a complete sense out of it, But if I say to you, Fataha Hamidun, what is the meaning?
Hamid open.
Open what? Are you with me? You did not get a complete sentence. Did he open the door of the car? Did he open the door of the classroom? Did he open a window? Did he open his book? You don't know. Are you with me? So did you get a complete sense? No, you did not get a complete sense. You needed something else in the sentence to be mentioned in order to get a complete picture. So what do you need? Something else to complete the picture is you need an object. What is it, brother? You need an object. Okay? And what is the Arabic of object? Maf'ulun bihi. That's all. This you must memorize. Maf'ulun bihi. Maf'ulun bihi. Okay? Bihi is jar majrur, remember. Okay? Not bihu, but bihi. Because there is a kasra there. Okay? Fine, brothers and sisters? Now, how do we know whether the verb is transitive or intransitive? Yeah, if it needs object or not, you ask question. Either ask what or you ask whom. When you ask a verb this question, and if you get an answer, yes, okay, then it means there is an object needed. If you cannot get any answer, by using what and whom, then it means the verb is intransitive. It does not need an object. If I say, Hamid sat, ask a question. What? It doesn't fit. Whom? Doesn't fit. So it means it does not need it. Hamid sat, fine, very good. So jalasa Hamid. Now I say to you, Shariba Hamidun. Hamid drank. Drank what? So now everything fits. The question fits. Drank what? So then you need an object. Shariba Hamidun al-ma'a, ash-shaya, al-kahwa, asir al-burtukal, orange juice. Are you with me? Khalaqallahu. Khalaqallahu. Allah created. Created what? Then you need an object. Are you with me? Khalaqallahu al-insana. Then you need an object. And that object will always be mansoob. What will it be now? See, now we are coming in the mansoob forms. It will come from everywhere now. So, object will always be mansoob. Shariba Hamidun al-ma'a, ash-shaya, al-kahwa ta. Are you with me? Asira. Okay? You will always have this. Okay? Now, the same thing will be if I say Amina, then I will say Sharibat Aminatu al-ma'a. Sahi? Sharibat Aminatu al-ma'a. So do you see maf'ulun bihi coming? And maf'ulun bihi will always be mansoob. Always be mansoob. Mansoob. Okay? Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Now, so these are the things. Daraba Hamidun. What did I say? Daraba Hamidun. What is the meaning of this? Hit? No, here whom will come? Hit whom? He must have hit somebody. Daraba Hamidun al-walada. Hamid hit the boy. Or say Hamid hit Muhammad. So what will you say? Daraba Hamidun Muhammadan. Muhammadan. Why dan? Because maf'ulun bihi is always mansoob. Got the idea? Maf'ulun bihi is always mansoob. Fahima Muhammadun. Fahima Muhammadun. What is the meaning of Fahima Muhammadun? Understood. Understood what? Then you say ad-darsa. Kataba. Now let us use muannas. Katabat Aminatu. Katabat Aminatu. What is the translation? Wrote what? Letter. Ar-risala ta. Ar-risala ta. Why ta? Why mansoob? Because maf'ulun bihi. Sister Sumayya, maf'ulun bihi will be mansoob. Now you can look in the Quran and you will see, inshallah. So if there is a transitive verb, there will be maf'ulun bihi. If there is an intransitive verb, then the fi'l and fa'il are very happy with themselves. They don't need anything else. But when it is transitive verb, then the fi'l and fa'il cannot give you a complete sense unless you bring an object. Are you with me, brother? That is all we have to do now. Now, look at this, brother. When the pronoun joins a noun, what do you get? Mudaf, mudaf ilayhi. Are you with me? Okay. And when the pronoun joins harf jar, what do you get? Jar majrur. Huh? And when the pronoun joins zarf, what do you get? Zarf and mudaf. Remember that? Okay. When the pronoun joins a noun, you get mudaf, mudaf ilayhi. When the pronoun joins preposition, we get jarun wa majrurun. When the pronoun joins a zarf, we get zarf wa mudaf ilayhi. Now this is what we learned in book 1. Now we go one step more, and there is no song for it.
Until you think. Until
What is it, brother? When the pronoun joins a verb, when the pronoun joins a verb, what do you get? Maf'ulun bihi. Are you with me? Now with the verb, that pronoun becomes mansoob, because maf'ulun bihi is mansoob. When the pronoun joined the noun, it became mudaf, mudaf ilayhi. So it means pronoun was mudaf ilayhi majroor. Sahi? When the pronoun joins preposition, you get jarun wa majroor. So pronoun became majroor. And when the pronoun joins zarf, you get zarf and mudaf ilayhi. So mudaf ilayhi is majroor. But now when the pronoun joins the verb, we get object. And objects are all mansoob. So then that pronoun is mansoob now. Are you with me? Okay. So, are you with me?